Good luck on your pick 4. Away they go. Baling ganda. Fast to begin. Rising up. Distinctive dancer. Rosy Eyes from the outside. Extreme connection. Loretta alongside 5th. Rising up is entry number 7. Dagger to Gobilis. And rounding the far turn. Baling ganda by Hapon and Distinctive dancer. Rosy Eyes racing third from the outside. Dagger look, Gobil Extreme Connection, and Reality Show as they race the final corner. Baling ganda. Rosy Eyes from the outside moves up. It's now Rosy Eyes. Dagger look from the outside. It's now Rosy Eyes. Dagger look. Reality Show is on the outside. Rosy Eyes and Dagger Look Reality Show. And finally, number 8, Rosy Eyes, Dagger Look Reality Show. Number 4, Loretta. And number 6, This Day.